Good day, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Today is Tuesday, and from what I see here, the markets are getting really hot, right? Did you see how gold reacted so far? That was that was great, to be honest. So, who is with us today? Let me see some names here. Let's see. And we're going to start, of course, with a top-down analysis on gold. Good morning, Gabazoro. How are you doing? So, guys, just to make sure that you have good audio and the image is fine, let me know just to run a quick check. It's always very useful. Iva, how are you doing today? So, first I will delete this stuff from here. Quite a lot, aren't they? Yep. Okay, perfect. Arabic Forex trading. Hi, Theo. How are you doing? So let's start with gold. Gold on the daily chart. Let's get rid of this stuff. Yep. So it was so interesting, to be honest, because so far I've got a lot of messages from my traders, my students. They were telling me that they got some, losing trades in their effort to trade long on these candles here, where and if you see all my positions lately, they were short. Everything's about selling the gold because of this strong downtrend, guys. Okay, when the market is in a strong downtrend, we want to sell, we don't want to buy, right? For this reason, it's always good to mark support, resistance. The top-down analysis has to be there every single time. It doesn't matter if you're going to trade in the morning or then you're going to come back in the afternoon. You have to go through the same process. It's like, think of it like a pilot. If it's going to fly the plane, if you are the passenger on that plane, don't you want the pilot to run the checks and the list every single time he's about to take over or she's about to take over? Yeah, same thing with trading. So top-down analysis is crucial. Let's start with this daily chart here. Previous day's low is this one, but also I will include this low down here. Previous day's high is up there, and for this trading session I don't think so we will need that high, but let's just keep it for now. I think we have a lot of we have a strong divergences here. Right here, what do you guys think? So if we make a lower low on the price, the indicator for sure it didn't pick it up, because see all this sell-off from this point and this small sell-off here forced to make a lower low. So I will check the indicator later, but for now let's just keep with the top-down analysis. On the hourly chart, things are getting a bit interesting here. What we have one. These are all inside candlestick, inside. I will I will plot this resistance. I will delete this one. Only if the price breaks and closes above this one here, like this, then I will go back to draw another resistance there. But I will send this stuff in the Telegram channel, of course, so you don't need to worry about these things. And as for now, we are expecting some more push to the upside, right? But let's see on the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, guys, we have a change of market structure. So these highs here. So we have 1 touch, 2 touches, 3, 4, 5 touches in this region. The price impulsively moved to the upside with a strong momentum. Strong impulsive, followed another quite good impulsive here. So I'm expecting continuation to the upside. And this is the 15-minute time frame. We got an inside candlestick. A break above the mother candle's high will push the price really, really high. So let's keep an eye on that one. So this is the plan for gold. I'm not going to sell gold. The only case I will consider selling gold, because on the higher time frames we are still in a downtrend. So I will consider selling gold only if the 15-minute chart makes a false breakout here. But I think we're going to be live and we're going to see it in real time. So for the time being, I'm looking to be a buyer on the gold and not a seller. Any comments on that one, guys? So on DAX, what's going on? What's going on with the DAX? Previous day's low is here. Previous day's high, it's already past. That's another high on the daily. 4 hour. It's going up. Yep. Very messy. No trend. You see, daily trendless. 4 hour. Even worse. Hourly, we got this double bottom. So yeah, this is a strong bullish pattern, guys. We got this a double bottom here, confirmed double bottom, the break of the neckline. So the potential target from this one is going to be the distance between this high and that low. Yeah, this is what I will be looking for to capitalize on the move. And I like to look only the 5 minutes and 1 minute charts on the DAX, not any other time frame. But the buyer, if break and retest the support, yes. Let's see how the calendar looks like today. What's on the scope today? We have the gross domestic product, but that's going to be in Canada during the New York session. Significant increase on the GDP. That means we can get some bullish moves on the Canadian dollar. For those trading Canadian dollar, I don't. So Ibrahim Hussein, hey bro, hey Theo, how are you doing? DAX, S&P 500, gold, all on watch today. Let's see. Yes, I like those big eyes there. Let's see. Yep. I'm very excited for today. I also believe we're going to get some solid moves. So on the DAX, it's nice. This is nice, guys. This is nice. 1 minute. I want to see if I can pick up a buy position here on the DAX. I'll check this one here. What do we have? The price. If the price comes down there, I will be interested. S&P, yeah, is moving up. Euro down. WTI, what's happening with this one? Oh my god, inside. It's like a double, triple inside here. Only breakout on the WTI. Gold. Gold inside 1 minute. Look at this. That's a classic pattern. Price break to the upside. After that break, consolidation. Consolidation here, it's fairly bullish. Yeah, we have to say that. If there will be attempts to sell this one, the stop losses has to be very, very well protective. But on the other hand, guys, we must learn, or you must learn to be patient. You don't rush. If you build a bias that you're gonna, let's say you're gonna buy, in this case, gold, you don't need to rush and go to sell the gold just because you're getting a price action here that suggests you can squeeze something on the trade. Yeah, John, my very good friend. How are you doing, mate? It's always, you see, you always put a smile on my face when I see you on the chat. How is everything? Oh, good. Walk. Hey, everyone. Hello, hello. John said too many fakes on social media nowadays. Great to see a genuine trader. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it, mate. Appreciate it. John AFX. How are the bots doing? Actually, guys, John has some amazing bots. If you like bot trading, yeah, definitely he has some good things under his sleeves. This guy. So gold. Maybe we're gonna get the bounce. What do you guys think? We're gonna get a bounce here and move to the upside or not? Look at DAX, Theo. Oh, DAX is coming to the area. Again, higher time frame. We have this one here. Yeah, 15 minute, 5 minute. Now I want rotation on the 1 minute chart. If I get this rotation, let me see. Last time I tried to place a trade here. Can I place a trade here? I will do it from my phone this time. Just because I did an update, I'm using Mac, I'm using on iOS, the MetaTrader, and sometimes it just cracks and I don't like that. So I'm gonna try to see if I can place a trade on my phone. Let's find the DAX and just get ready. If you are using YWO and you want to know how to find DAX, it's DE30, D for Donald, E for England, and number 30. So here is DAX. Let's go trade. Something here. And when you're closing is okay. Anyway, guys, I gave you the plan here. Usually how DAX is traded, or how I trade it, is if I'm gonna get the bounce here, like I got it on the 61.8, and I go in Of course, stop loss, hide it below there. Now, as long as the price takes over, because there are a lot of different things can happen in the market, the stop loss has to be moved below this low, so you can risk only a little bit of your account from this point. Why is that? Because we don't know if this move will be the last one and the price will go here and retrace from a 61.8% FIP and change direction. This is very deep in trend analysis. I don't know how well you are into trend analysis, or if you took a course like mine that it's very detailed, or it's written by a certified market analyst like myself. So trend analysis is very important, and if you know trend analysis upside down and you stick by only trend trading, not reversals and all this stuff, you will just accelerate in your trading, guys. Good, mate. I hope you guys are all doing well. Yeah. Catch up soon for a coffee, John. Absolutely, mate. Absolutely. We'll catch up. Mansoor, Theo, what asset you watching most today? Gold. And now DAX. This is DAX here. German 40, German 30. DAX. Eva, did you trade DAX so far? I believe you're still trading DAX, right? Guys, of course, if you're enjoying this live stream, please show some love, give us some likes on the video. Also, if you are not subscriber on the YouTube channel, please, by all means, do it. We are putting so many videos now, and especially this series of the next 10 videos are coming. So far, only I think one is uploaded. But yeah, I prepare more videos, and there will be very interesting content. What is DAX? Yes, I'm long since before open. Okay. Good. DAX is the European indices. Like, do you know, guys, what is S&P 500? That stands for Standard and Poor 500. So they are the top 500 companies in the United States that they operate in the United States based on their let's say profits. The same, and these 500 companies are not the same every year. Yeah, if one company performs better than another company, it takes its place. That's how it goes. Same with the DAX 30 or DAX 40. There are the 30, 40 biggest companies in Germany, and they are listed as an indices in the stock exchange in Germany, in Frankfurt. So instead of trading, let's say, BMW as a stock, we trade the DAX, which, let's say, includes BMW, and we have better chances of predicting the move, because all these move collectively based on the indices. So I explain you in detail what is DAX. Let's check gold. Yes, the breakout is about to happen. I would like, what? I'm gonna place, what's the distance between here? It's about 10 pips. I want to trade this breakout because it's an ascending triangle, and honestly, this is something that I teach inside my course, an ascending triangle, and what I teach, it's also what I trade. So based on that one, I'm gonna go with a buy stop order here. buy stop order. I will get filled only if the price breaks above this one. I'm gonna hide my stop loss non-delete position. I want to go with one lot here, not with two lots. Trading, buy stop. My stop loss will go at 40.21 at 40.21. Modify. So I have a pending order to buy gold at the break of this high, and the stop loss will be going here for now. Of course, I will actively manage this order. It's not going to stay like this. If I get filled during this live, and if it's going to still be valid, I will post all the updates on the inside the Telegram channel. So if you are inside the Telegram channel, guys, all the links are... Actually, I will send you the links here. In case you are not, just plug yourself in to get the updates. Do you trade DAX only, London, or any session too? That's a great question, actually. DAX moves better, I would say, during London, or the breakouts during London are solid, but also DAX moves equally well during New York after 2:30 UK time. So at 9:30 a.m. New York time onwards, yeah, DAX can be traded. So my plan for gold now is this one here. Let's see if I'm gonna get filled. The fact that I love trading these buy stop orders and breakout on the gold is because of the spread here, guys. This is the 5 minute. Sorry, this is the 1 minute chart, not even the 5 minute chart. And see how tight is the spread. In the videos I'm preparing now, I'm explaining why when you choose the platform to operate, it becomes a part of your risk management, because so many people are trading with, I'm going to say, wrong platforms, because the way they choose a broker that operates in the market is not in favor of the trader. What do I mean by that? If you trade gold and you have a large spread and you have a buy stop order here, I'm saying to the market, buy my position here only if the price, the real price here of gold moves above this line. But if the spread is so wide, maybe it's very wide, maybe the price will go just up to here, like this one here, and because of the spread, guys, pay attention to this, will fill me in the position. So I didn't get filled. Now I'm in the position because you see the price. See how the price moved here. Now I'm in the position because actually the price went right there, not because the spread got widened and put me in. Very important. So I'm here in this position now. I'm waiting for at least 10 pips to the upside, because based on this ascending triangle pattern, the probabilities are in favor to have a push to the upside. DAX struggles a little bit here, guys. Okay, all this move to the upside didn't have a strong follow through, so make sure you don't get surprised if the price does something different. Does the DAX and the NQ have a positive correlation? Yes, they do. And the S&P 500 as well. So I'm not saying close your positions here. I'm just saying that if it's a part of your trading strategy to scale out or to take something from the table, or to move your stop loss to go at break even or whatever, just do what is more relevant to you. So who else? Any questions, guys? Ask anything. Any news here? Japan Chief Cabinet Secretary Kihara. In Greek, this sounds like kithara, the instrument, kithara. And actually, this is how we write it using English letters. We call it Greek English. Kithara, always ready to take necessary action on Forex. Oh, really? What are you saying here? Necessary action on Forex. Okay, it's from another website. Not interested. I'm only interested in Genius news events. So positions, live accounts. Guys, something else to tell you here. You don't trust all this stuff down here, okay? Because these things, they are not generate these things down here. All these things are not based on the futures markets, are based on a specific broker's data, most likely a broker that has some correlation with these guys here, this Forex Factory or any other, I don't know, website. You see here it says 87 traders versus 102 traders. I mean, that doesn't reflect the actual market. It reflects something smaller, some minority of things. Here it shows 79.6 lots on the euro US dollar are traded on the buy side, and only 26.9 lots on the sell side. And those 79 lots placed by 85 traders, and those 26 by 65 traders. So yeah, these are not the real data. So on gold, yeah, more people are looking to buy. You get the point. Yeah, you get my point here. And does the DAX Emilio Essalem Alekum Cypriot Liter. How are you doing, Emilio? Long time no see. How is trading going? I know you were heavily trading gold and Bitcoin. Yeah. What are you trading now? Give us some insights. Give us your vision. What do you think the market will do today? Rashid, do you trade actual stocks or futures? Futures. I only invest in actual stocks only. Buy and hold, only buy positions. So let me tell you a little bit of my activities. Besides day trading, I also do investing, and I invest only in cryptos and stocks. But now I'm not into stocks. It's been a while that since I offload all my positions on stocks, I'm only holding cryptos for now. When I let's say trade stocks, I don't use leverage. I only buy and hold. When I trade cryptos, I don't use leverage. I only buy and hold. The 20 period moving average and the 50 period moving average, guys, the 20 is the blue line and the 50 the red line. The 20 is the fast and the 50 is the slow. They work so well in the markets I'm trading, in the markets I'm showing you here, so well. They act as dynamic support, dynamic resistance, but I don't trade bounces from the moving averages. As you see here, it was one solid trade that included break and retest, included price action, included Fibonacci retracements, and it happened to reject the 50 period. So I can use this as mainly as a filter. What do you think is going to happen with the DAX? Emilio, do you also trade DAX? Or you stick only with gold and Bitcoin trading? Iva, are you still in the trade here? Still holding? Oh, let's check our trade on gold. What's going on? It came down. So it didn't make the breakout as expected. Still in the trade. Stop loss is down here. So what will happen here is that if the price takes out my stop loss, it means it changes direction and it's gonna do this. It's gonna go from here, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, possibly up to this or up to that area. Hussein, someone still trade Bitcoin, lol. Yeah. Yep, you closed it. I think it's going to bounce from a resistance of 24,871 and continues down. 24,871, yeah. Yep. Yeah, let's see. This behavior is I saw this on DAX so many times. Sometimes it just goes like this, slowly, duck, slowly, and then boom, it explodes. Other times it just goes slowly, and just drops. But definitely, we need to see price action reversals here. If we don't get the price action reversal, that means we don't bet that this breakout will fail. Okay, we need to have evidence before we do anything. Here it comes. Either we will see a couple of candlesticks pushing through this level, or we're going to see a rejection here. Gold, is it going to get outside of this consolidation or what? You see, this is a typical bullish pattern, but if it fails, then we're gonna get the bounce maybe from the 50 period, because it aligns with this inside support. But first we have to see either a break below here, or eventually and hopefully a break to the upside. Yes, the higher time frame are on downtrend. What do you think? You mean on DAX? Yes. For me, the higher time frame on DAX is in an uptrend because of this double bottom, neckline, tack, higher high. So I believe there is room until this level, and if we break this level, then definitely we are going all the way up here on DAX. Gold, is it taking us anywhere or nowhere? I think it's going towards 25,000 again. Hey, it's a round number and an attractive number, yeah. On the 5-minute chart, we start getting these rejections with the wicks. We don't need the Fibonacci anymore. Let's get this out of here. We will see. The hourly on gold is bullish, so not in the next 5, but I believe in the next 15 minutes we're gonna start seeing direction on gold. So after this 5-minute candle, no, actually after this 5-minute candle close, then it's we're gonna likely start seeing some directional moves. Hop, 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 hop. It's trying to hop down. We are getting a bearish engulfing, but here we are in the middle of this consolidation. I will stick with my biases there. DAX. Imagine if DAX will just keep going up, tick, 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 like a mouse. So we are getting into the last 15 minutes of the first hour of the Open, of the London Open. And from now, the market will start showing directions and biases. After the completion of this candlestick. Let's see what the last 15 minutes will show. Very important time. What do you think? Up or down? Up or down? Gold up, gold down. And DAX. Look at this guy here. Holds. Maybe we're gonna go lower now, on DAX. This bearish candlestick, it shouldn't be that large. And now we got a bearish engulfing here, but we didn't break below this low. Hop. 15-minute consolidates. Breakout, guys, breakout traders, they're gonna place enormous orders above this 40, what's the number here? 40, 35, 40, 25. Yeah, 40, 25. Or no, 35. Yeah, 40, 35. So many people will place orders to buy the breakout. And if this is going to happen there, our trade will work perfectly well because we bought slightly below these traders see that it can be a potential breakout point here. So let's see if it's going to come up. I told you 15 minutes until the end of the hourly candlestick are the crucial one, and here is what we're going to see, either a move to the upside or to the downside. I don't think so it's going to stay as an inside consolidated move because the hourly candlestick must show something. Yeah, either a push to the upside or okay, maybe it can stay as a dodgy candlestick. If we're going to get a dodgy candlestick here, then it's likely to go for a bearish retracement. After all, these buyers push the price up to get a dodgy candlestick in the middle of this move. It's not common, it's not normal. So it's going to be a little bit bearish. If I don't get stopped out and we get a dodgy candle here, I will close the position. DAX slowly drops. Let's go, buyers. Let's go, fellas. Oh, what is this drop now? 10 minutes until the completion of this hourly candlestick. Do you think we are going for a stop loss now? To be honest, if the buyers were strong, really they would have pushed the price up so far, but I'm just still in the trade. I'm not going to close it. As I said, only if the hourly candlestick closed as dodgy or in this case bearish or something. If the hourly candlestick doesn't close, let's say above my entry, then and only then I will close the position with a loss, whatever it's the loss, unless the price moves down and takes my stop loss before within the next 9 minutes actually. See, DAX is selling off aggressively. So Cavazoro, you were right here, huh? We came here, false breakout, and bam, all the way down. The 5-minute had this weakness here, dodgy candles. Now we are coming down to the area, but this area is not considered anymore as a high quality area for buys, just like it was right here. But essentially, trend traders, what they usually do, once you buy the retracement, you get out at the top, at the nearest high. You don't, or you close 80-90% of the position, you move stops at break even, expecting the next swing and the bounce to further upside. Look, rarely, but that happens. Doesn't happen always or all the time. Sometimes it happens, and when the market, it's just so strong and so smooth and it just takes over, we squeeze a lot out of a trade, like 3, 4, 5, 6 to 1 reward to risk. But that's not the case. Okay, most of the times the market will just move like this. It will test the previous high, it will come down, maybe fluctuate a little bit and then continue up, but or it just happened and it's the end of the road here, and it will just change direction or it will go sideways. We don't know. Gold bounced off the 50 period. It got squeezed here and it's trying to explode to the upside. DAX is coming down. It has strong momentum to the downside on the DAX here, guys. Let's see if it's gonna react here, or let's see how it will react here. Either it's gonna break through or it's gonna get rejected. That's a classic hammer. Price reaches, let's say, a key support, and buyers, after the hammer, they don't follow through, and we see a shooting star right after the hammer. It just takes out buyers for real. So now it's going down. Officially, the market is struggling at this point. Let's see if sellers will keep pushing to change direction here. You see at this level there is a lot of interest, not only from sellers but also from the buyers. They don't let the price there. Gold, what's going on here? What's going on with the gold? We're still in this trade. Another 4 minutes for this hourly candle to close. Very curious if we're gonna get a break to the upside here. Up. Oh, DAX false breakout here. Look at this false breakout. The market is transiting here, okay? The market is in a transition period. Now, officially, the market is ranging like this. Let me show you. So here, these are the confirmed swings we have so far. So right now, after we saw this candle on the minute chart, the market has equal highs, equal lows. So it's in a range. For me, the best play is to wait for a lower low. Unless I get this, I don't know if this range will continue and for how long. But if we get a lower low, it's a confirmation that the downtrend begins. For what I just explained now, if you are a beginner trader, you might not understand it. But if you are a struggling trader, what I just explained now, it's worth a lot. Because this is where, as a coach, this is where I see most of people, they coming to for coach, they struggle. And I just gave it to you guys here on the live stream. It's simple when you have someone like me next to you telling you this stuff in real time. It's very difficult when money are on the line and you have to take decisions yourself in real time. We need a break below. We need a break below here to confirm that the downtrend will begin. If we don't, anything can happen. And if we get a higher high here, what do you think, guys? Is it an uptrend? No, it's not. We need to break outside of this part. If we don't break outside of this high, there is no uptrend in place. The market anywhere here is still ranging. And traders, just people, they just lose money like crazy. Gold. We are right at the top where we had the entry. Now all the buy stops breakout are getting activated here. Let's see how the market will react on these guys. Let's see. We just changed the candle. We are coming here. I'm telling you, there are so many buy stop orders sitting above here, and also stop losses from those they sold. This is why the price moves so fast to the upside. I'm a buyer here. I have one lot on this trade. Usually I risk 2 lots, as you can see from the volumes here. But on this trade, I just place 1 lot because, yeah, let's be real. It's not a trend. It's not a. There is no trend in place like solid trend, but there is a development of this uptrend, so maybe the price will push to the upside. So because we came here, I'm gonna move my stop loss from here underneath this low, because now the market made a new market structure. So I will reduce by far my position size. So based on my account now, I'm risking about 1% of the account, and I'm going to take it to risk almost 0.5% of the account. Same trade, eliminate the risk. This is how you want to build up your trading to excel actually in trading, because if you don't start trading from a way that allows you to protect your capital and just let the market play it out, you will end up focusing only on how to avoid losses, and losses are unavoidable. They will happen. And if you're trading for a while, I'm sure you already know that losses are happening, will happen, and we cannot avoid them. So our job as traders, day traders, is to stay, objective and look at what the market is doing and understand how can we protect our capital as much as possible while in a trade. You will never see me closing the trade prematurely because of fear. You will see me moving the stop loss closer to the entry and let the trade run, but I'm going to make sure if it's going to move against me, not only I will not lose, let's say, the full risk I put on a trade, but by moving my stop loss closer to the entry, I cover better my position and I protect my balance, my capital, my equity. And I hope you will learn this from me, because this is a skill that you can develop, and it's really, really good. And I do it live so you can learn how to do it yourself. You see, DAX now is moving up. Does this mean the market is in an uptrend? No, it's not. This higher high here doesn't say anything to me, this higher high. So the market now is not in an uptrend. The market is in a consolidation period. A break below this low will lead to the downtrend, the beginning of the downtrend. A break above this high will lead to the beginning of an uptrend. But as for now, the market is just sideways. So if the price on gold moves up, I can see the next key resistance. The next key resistance being right there. So it's going to be a 2-to-1 trade here. And we're going to go to 40.52. I'm going to put a take profit at, I think it's 200. Yep, here, take profit. Just slightly below resistance, still very good. Risk to reward is exceptional here, amazing. And again, I will repeat that to you guys. Don't think that risk to reward 3, 4, 5, 6 to 1, it's something common. It's not common. The most common is to get, let's say, 1.5 to 1, 2 to 1. In best cases, let's say 3 to 1. Only if we get lucky and it happened, for example, to get into the move when the price was down here and then it just went up so fast, so soon, and we found ourselves with a 4, 5, 6 to 1 reward to risk. So these things happens rarely. They do happen, and it's better if you establish this belief that these are lucky trades. We need luck in trading. Don't abandon luck. Okay. So guys, I will leave you with that. I hope you enjoyed this live stream. We're going to be back again tomorrow, same time, 8 a.m. London time, or 10 a.m. broker time, Cyprus time. So I wish you best luck with your trading for the rest of the day. Plug yourself in the Telegram channel because I will send you updates, educational stuff, and we will be in better communication. And of course, I will see you all tomorrow at the same time. Thanks for joining, and again, have a great day.